How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great day yesterday. All right. Uh, so looking at AJ here, AJ had a fake out here, decided to create its Asian lows right here. So now looking at AJ has actually been refusing to break this resistance here. If we do have a break above, then we should continue to this resistance at 95 600 or so. And actually, if this candle here flips bullish, I'm gonna probably risk AJ here. Oh man, that's like 10 pips away. Okay, 7 pips. See something here real quick. Something under 5. Mm, all right. So give me a second here. Two. All right, so buys above 95 to 50 here on AJ. And today is the first day of the month and also NFP week. Very interesting. Let's see what we have here. Uh, Good morning, Fat Boy Slim. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Maxi Milan. Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Rashid. Good morning, Brian. EJ. Let's take a look at EJ real quick. EJ buys above 139,900. Um, GJ is still freaking ugly, of course. GJ is just so ugly, man. It's looking like we're gonna drop here. It's back to this support. Low risk here, guys, if we do take this, alright. Not in yet. Alright, guys. I'm clearly not in yet. Mm, Oh, we got my baba in the house. That's good, bro. Good morning, Jeep Cam. Good morning, JV Snoop. Uh, you're not late for class. You're right on time. We've not taken any trades yet, but I'm looking to take this EJ sell, so we'll see. we'll see what EJ is trying to do here. We're currently breaking these lows here. So I have my entry slightly below that. So we'll just wait and see what EJ is trying to do here. But even if EJ decides to come down, we have this support here. And even if we do break this support, there's this resistance here to the left that we could see possible rejections from. But if EJ continues dropping, should get back to this support at least. And if we continue dropping, that would actually be my final target. If I use a final TP here. Oh, 111. Alright, my music is tripping again today. Remember, if we take it here, low risk, guys. Good morning, Jackson. All right, I'm in, guys. I'm in, EJ. If we continue dropping here, we might not get here, but I'm gonna just put it right. I'm gonna just put it there because we got this resistance here. We got this support here. If we continue dropping, probably we'll just only get here. Well, first trade for September. So we'll see how this goes. First, we're gonna leave it right here for now. Got about 20 pips for this first TP here and 15 pips stop loss. So we'll see. I hope you guys understand what I mean by low risk. Good evening, Finn. Good morning, James FX. This is the 30-minute time frame. It's right there on the screen. Good morning, Roseberg. Damn, I always forget to remove this every time. Come on, EJ, give us a quick 10 to 20 pips real quick before London open. You can do it. Oh, damn, look at CJ. Ooh. Come on, AJ. Come, EJ. Come on, drop. Oh, man. I'm actually confident in this trade just because of these candles here to the left. So we'll see. I said, EJ, follow your friends. I knocked. That was a very good joke. Say follow your friends. Uh, yeah, EJ and GJ tripping. Cause they look clean. CHF red folder nails. I don't care about that one. I care about GBP red folder, Euro red folder, USD red folder. That's it. Chef, That ain't gonna do nothing. Ah, somebody tell Shushan not to jinx it. Do not jinx it, Shushan. uh, well, EJ is currently playing a game still, but this candle closes in 1 minute. And if EJ can get back to this support, if he reject this support come London Open, it's gonna be a good buy going back up. So we'll see what this thing wants to do here. I mean, way back in the negative now. If you want to jump in, you can still jump in, but use low risk. Meaning, minimize your lot size. That's what it means. If this was London Open, I wouldn't even tell you guys to do that. Just use your normal risk. Alright, so we flipped. Currently creating another support here. If we close bullish, then we have our support here. Mm. Oh. tu- tu- Once we tap that, I'm closing. Currently negative 5 pips. Currently broke. We tested here on the 5 minute, came down. Now we're testing again. We're testing this support zone again. So maybe we will continue now. Yeah, it's just playing games because looking at the 5 minute here, we broke, we tested, came down. Now we're retesting again. So yeah, it's playing games. Previously, this was a nice 1 hour bearish candle. Now it's trying to flip. How you said EJ always playing games? No. EJ has actually been better than GJ for the past few weeks now. This actual candle can actually still flip bearish, and if it does flip bearish, the question now is what volume are we gonna get when London open? Because um, the overall trend on EJ is still bullish. So what to do next? I mean, I'm still in. As long as we do not tap 139.669, I'm still gonna stay in. So
I keep God first. I see evil, when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what He's giving when I concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shoot when I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers touring, I'm gonna set it off. Told my baby, meet me at the bank. Told my mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change the weight. Working for my baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to Him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you can never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, talk 'em, drop off 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up, I topple. Play for belly too. I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. Real me, real fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I made for a while. No sleeping while I won't fall. No sleeping while I won't eat off. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what He's giving when I concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shoot when I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers touring, I'm gonna set it off.
Well, 30 just gave a nice explanation right there. So two things here with this bullish candle. This bullish candle could be a retest candle, or this candle could take us out. It's one of the two things that can happen here. And like 30 said, and like I said earlier, that EJ is bullish, but we took a sell here, which is what? A counter trend trade. So it is definitely a risky trade. That was one of the reasons why I said you guys should lower your risk on this trade. Plus, we're taking it before London open. For me, this trade, I only risk 0.5% on this trade. 0.5%, not even 1%. And if we do win, shit, it's still a win. A win is still a win, no matter what your lot size is. A win is still a win. Even if your normal lot size is 0.10, which is $1 per pip, and you only risk half of that, 0.05, a win is still a win. And if it's a loss, it's just going to minimize your loss.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells
Alright
ringing,
guys, I closed out of it.
blinging,
I
carols
closed out
singing,
10 pips.
favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks, racks in my
Alright.
sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up
Damn,
in
I
that
hit losing
bag,
first
yeah.
trade of the
I
month.
got racks, racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah.
Alright, I closed out of
Like
EJ.
it's frozen. Catch me rolling. I'm the chosen. Snow is falling. Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing.
So,
Diamonds
I'm
blinging.
gonna leave this zone
Carols
like this
singing. Favorite
just
season.
in case
Sleigh bells
because we're still
ringing.
currently rejecting
Diamonds
here.
blinging. Carols
Alright, we're
singing.
still currently
Favorite
rejecting. If we
season.
break above, then we're
They said
potentially
Saint Nick,
gonna
but you
have
got
a
up in
bullish
that bag,
continuation here.
yeah. I got racks, racks in my sack, hurt
So,
my back,
see
yeah.
how this
They
candle
said
is gonna
Saint Nick, but you
close.
got up in that
London
bag,
open,
yeah. I got racks,
we'll
racks in
see
my
what
sack, hurt
happens.
my back, yeah.
Uh,
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and
Okie
Blitzen.
dokie.
No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds
Interesting.
blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks, racks in my sack,
Damn, why
hurt
did you
my
guys go
back,
full
yeah.
margin? I
They
said you
said
should
Saint
use
Nick, but
low
you got up
risk.
in that bag, yeah. I got racks, racks in my sack, hurt
Ha,
my
EJ
back,
going up
yeah.
and down like
They
he's
said
dancing.
Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks, racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag. I got racks, racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So, I'm gonna put an entry here on EJ. Uh, if it comes down right now before London open, I'm not getting in again until London open. Uh, let me just put it somewhere here. Yeah, he's just playing too many games, but it's currently retesting, so I'd rather close that at 10 pips now than for London open and then this thing just freaking spike up and then close me out. So I'd rather get out early because we already broke this previous candle highs. So we already broke that, so we could continue. We could have a bullish continuation here, but at the same time, I'm also waiting to see are we gonna break this break above this 5 minute high here at 139,669. If we do that, then we could have a bullish continuation here. At that point, then this is absolutely a fake out or liquidity grab, whatever you want to call it. Alright, GJ did the same. CJ did the same, but shit, at least CJ gave 10 pips. Yep, but at least CJ gave 10 pips. Alright, it's absolutely over with. I don't like I don't like setups like this. Now we're creating a support here and then we have another support at 139,300. Then we turn around, we got a resistance here to the left. Don't like moves like this. But we in the month of official in the month of September, so this month should be good. Next month the real craziness is gonna start. Next month the real craziness is gonna start. Um, AJ, myself on AJ actually right now it's not going to be until we close below 94,850 and buys above 95,250. Either way, it should be nice. The question is, are we going to have volume where London opens? Because Asian session is about to close. Asian session closes in 6 minutes and then London opens. I like to cut my losses short and I try to keep my winners. If the market allows it, I mean you guys already know that about me. I like to keep my winners. But so far this week has been a rocky week. Actually, this NFP week has been a rocky one. Last month's NFP week, shit, we crushed it. But this week has been a rocky one so far. But, you know, we still got 2 more days. We got today and tomorrow. It could still turn out to be a good one. Actually, me trading as 100 this week, that has been what has kept my account decent this week because I've actually been trading as 100 this week. I traded it yesterday, day before yesterday, and the day before, so 3 days: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. NYSE open, I traded again today. That's 100 has been paying so far this week. And I'm gonna start the signal for that next week. Next week, Monday, it's only gonna be NYSE open. That's actually the only pair I will be trading down in New York. And that's 100. That's it. No Forex pairs down in New York. London session is strictly gonna be Forex pairs. And then NYSE open is gonna be NAS. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, I won't trade it because NAS is a little bit tricky on Tuesdays. And Fridays. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday will be NAS, NYSE open. Tuesday, Friday, no trade though in New York. Nope, no live streaming though in New York. It's just gonna be signals sent to the people in the mentorship. And if you're watching this stream and you're in the VIP, I already sent a message to you guys. Let me know what your account size is so I can give you my recommendation on what lot size you should use. All right, we're still rejecting, so we'll see. One more minute. Sell for NZD USD. I don't trade that pair. It's gonna be decent. That's good enough. Oh man, we open bearish here, but know what? We would have even been stopped out anyways. This candle has no top wick, and London just opened, so we gotta be very careful here. We rejected that zone I was talking about, so we could still come down here. If we take a sell here, stops is just gonna be above this previous week. This time around, we're looking at about 20 pips for a potential 25 pips first TP if we come down. So, I'm not in yet. Yeah. If we flip bullish and break above 139 685, then we could continue pushing up. So for now, still gonna look for sales. Mm, Now, any trade we take from now, if you like, you can go full margin. You said time to fly out for EJ. First, just type exclamation mark trade journal and you will get the link. Mm, 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 mm. Right now, sales is still valid, even though taking a sell is a counter trend trade. The reason why I said sell is still valid is because we rejected this support here, so we could continue pushing down. Now, if this candle had broken this support, I would have changed my bias to a bullish continuation. So for now, I'm still looking for sales. For now, I'm still looking for sales. First is exclamation mark trade journal. You can type exclamation mark trade journal. Oh, let me help you out because looks like you're having problems doing that. All right, there you go. If we take EJ here, I would like to take one more trade. All right, I jumped in. I jumped in. I'm in EJ. Shit, who knows? We might as well have a nice sell here. Who knows? Who knows? Ah, trade matrix, you jump in already. Shit, I don't blame you. Like, we should continue down here. We should. If you're trading on the 5 minute, this previous 5 minute candle would have been a nice entry. We rejected nicely off of this support to the left. We should absolutely continue down here. Oh, it said market conditions have been unreal. Oh yeah, I was looking at Euro JPY
Only wake up if I'm next to you.
yesterday morning during NYSE,
Slide with some extra too.
and it just started moving all of a
Fly with
sudden
love,
at a
no limit,
very,
no
very weird
restrictions.
time.
Be my boo. When I get lost, you gon' see me through.
But I already
Close enough,
traded NAS
show you the
100. No,
best.
I actually missed it.
Vertical, I need you like my vegetables.
Yep, I actually missed it. That was why I didn't take it. I think it was this move here. Yep, an hour before NYSE, after NYSE open. You gotta be kidding me.
Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, say my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tougher on the back, most not go to cool. Oh for sure, you my number one.
Very nice trade metrics. You must have gotten EJ sales somewhere around here.
Oh, you know,
That must have been your entry.
my pocket's fatter now. My pocket's fatter. It don't really matter. Don't really matter. My pocket's fatter now. My pocket's fatter. It don't really matter. Don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away.
Very nice, brother. Very nice. Mm. Uh, oh man, why do I always forget to delete this? I don't know, maybe I just wouldn't use it anymore because I always forget to take it off. See, as long as I tell you guys that I'm in, see, just ignore the text. Okay, EJ. What the? If this 15-minute candle flips bearish, it's over with. We should continue dropping at that point.
Alright, yeah. Okay. Bring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fake. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any plays. Any fool, what it do? Moving quick, busting moves, steps ahead, cause I'm out working while you trying to catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not in so I can lose. Yeah. How'd you like it back? Tell the bank, tell her us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna. Alright, yeah. Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Yeah, and I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low, so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to run
Damn,
coins
GJ
to get
fully
to the next
bullish.
week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and 2. And that made me a better man. Now it's backstage business and shaking hands. I don't do this for Instagram. This is real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what I alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah.
It's the
Okay.
JPY is dropping.
Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface.
Oh, institutions knows all retailers going for this trade. Create extreme liquidity wicks, grabbing wicks to scare retailers. Okay, EJ is really tripping. It's really tripping. Oh, you got a win already, Brian. Very nice. Oh yeah, if that was your entry, you got 10 pips already.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah.
You probably stopped out now
V6
too,
for Hemi sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah.
except if you didn't move your stops to entry,
Do it
then
for the future. Time to get a
then
world
you
away.
still be in.
Time never stops. No, the timing is now. Take
But
a
EJ
lean.
is currently tripping.
Street spin a miss.
So
Can I breathe? Smoke
I'll
in
be
the
right
air.
back,
Cut
guys.
gasoline. I
Just
see
need
the
some
news.
water.
See what you read. Change gotta come. Put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids. Yeah, let's
I'll
set it
wait.
straight. Do it for your kids. Gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar. We need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it changes cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
Oh, yeah, I didn't realize my mic was still mute. So I was saying, uh, I just feel like this we're in the right trade here because if you look here at EJ, we had a closure below this support. We broke. They grabbed liquidity to put in some bias, and then what we do, we reject off of what, off of this support here, and now they're trying to take the buyers out. So now they go in the direction they want to take this EJ. This is the direction they want to go, in my own opinion. So we'll see if I'm right. But sometimes they could fake out the buyers and then also fake out the sellers, and then they drive the market where they want it to go. So, but in this case, for them to even fake out the buyers right now, we have to break these lows. And once we break these lows, it's over with. We're gonna grab at least 10 to 20 pips out of this EJ trade, because if we break these lows, no matter what they're trying to do, we should come back to this support. We should head back to this support. Now we could reject from there again and go bullish. And we could also break below and just continue dropping. So we shall see what happens here. But we're struggling to break these lows though.
And I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm always surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my
Alright.
wife, could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different, I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones.
GJ is out of resistance.
Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the they done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank. Up the score, I pull up from trade. From the trade, I'm ballin' like trade. Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes stay G'd up. I'm trying to get that type of wealth like I
So we've been in this trade for 30 minutes now. Man, you guys are quiet today. Why are you guys quiet? You guys are quiet because of this trade? You're scared of this trade? EJ is scaring you guys? You still in, Bobby? Ah, GJ is dumping. Yeah, anyway, my buys on GJ was above 161,900 anyways. I wasn't looking for I wasn't looking for buys here at all. Come on, EJ. Oh, there's a lot of yellow folder euro news. Uh, damn, look at all this freaking news. And NFP tomorrow. I definitely won't be trading New York tomorrow at all. You said they're scared. The 4 hour candle is a sell candle, yeah. The market itself is quiet this week. Oh, Nigel said this song is our good luck song. All right, let's play our good luck song according to Nigel. Maybe EJ will start acting right once EJ listens to this song. Let's see. Even if we do win EJ, I would like to take one more trade. Should have taken CJ. Uh, EJ, man. GJ, GJ. Man, GJ is dumping hard. And EJ is playing. Okay.
Since we were stuck in late, babe, run jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline, man.
Mm. Yes, Rosberg. I would have taken it if I had seen it. I would have taken it. Double top. I would have taken it. No doubt. I would have taken it. My first TP would actually be here. Somewhere here.
Finally don't get no, finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone
So
say.
we,
Already got my friends in the back of
we
my
would have
head.
secured
We gon' make
profits
it big
now.
one day.
I
We gon'
definitely
make
would
it
have
big, I
taken it.
say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in
That
the
was a double
moment.
top.
Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one.
Oh yeah,
Just
I know,
never
right?
lost in
I would have
November.
taken it.
See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks to
If I saw
hide.
this one
Let
too,
the flame
this
burn down
EJ,
for a while. Let the
I
flame
would
burn
have
down
taken
for a
this EJ as well.
while. Stay in the
Once we
moment with
started
me.
breaking these lows
Stay in
at
the moment with me.
139.804,
Give you a
I would
moment.
have taken it,
Give
but
you a moment
obviously
with
I
me.
didn't see it.
Smell
So
all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
and right now I'll just be sitting in profits. So whenever you guys see a move like this, a setup like this, don't hesitate to take it. Just take it. You will get at least 10 to 20 pips out of it. Uh, and if we had nice traffic here with this setup on GJ, I might not even take no partials at all and just let it run back to this support. But it looks messy here, so it's better for you to secure what you can. All right, we're back in the negative. Whatever happens, I will be getting out here again. I'm not gonna wait until it hits my stop loss. The market is only allowed to take this this amount of money from me whenever I lose a trade. Just this amount. And whenever I win, I want to win like this. Lose just like this. That's it. Because right now, if we should end up winning this trade, it's gonna make up for the 10 pip loss that we took earlier, especially if we should get back to this support. If we do win this trade. So that's just an example of why I like to cut my losses short. Because because at the end of the day, I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader or a scalper, whatever you want to call it. What the hell? Where did where did that freaking candle came from? Did you guys see how that candle spiked just now? Interesting. There was a news just now. What news? What news was that? Oh, well, that was like 5 minutes after. That was like 5 minutes after. Okay, so EJ is probably doing all this because we have a lot of yellow for that Euro news today. Wow, there's a lot of Euro news today. Yellow folders though. Oh, yeah. No, Rico, it wasn't a bad trade. I completely disagree. I completely disagree. What the hell? Where did my really trading view you trip into? This was not a bad trade at all. The first one, maybe, but this was not a bad trade. Oh, good morning, UD. Oh, you're talking about because of the news? I knew we had yellow folder Euro news, but I didn't know we had this much And even the ones I saw, it didn't bother me. It's only red for the news and orange for the news that really bothers me. Those are the ones that really bother me. Yellow folders doesn't bother me at all. But yeah. Uh, GJ flipping too. Man, this markets today, man. Okay. Looking at a 5 minute right now, we couldn't break these lows multiple times. So if we get here to 139.685, I'm getting out of VJ. We couldn't break these lows. If we was gonna break this low, we would have broken it by now. So all right, I'm out. Negative 9 pips. Boy, oh boy, back to back losses. All right, Forex pairs is definitely smashing me this week. So the same thing he did previously, it's doing it again. All right. Oh shit, why did I close that? Well, we've taken 2 trades already. two losses. Uh, if this candle really closes above like this, yeah, we're gonna continue. But if we reject again, I don't know. It's just ranging at that at this point right now. But if we break and close above right now, especially if we close like this, we might continue pushing up. So yeah, money's coming on Euro JPY. I mean on Euro. I mean you got GBP yellow for the news also. Damn, just a lot of yellow news today. Yeah, this time around we could continue. Uh, well, let's update the journal for this month. You always gotta be transparent. Come on, man, load, 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 load. Um, one more trade, guys, and that'll be it for me. All right. All right. 222. Um, hey, you can buy EJ if you want. For me, I'm not buying EJ until above 139. man, why are you taking forever to load? Oh, oh, what the hell? Not two wins. Oh, man, this thing is slow, man. All right, we're down to 72% win rate for the year. Right now, I'll actually take buys, but I don't have a one-to-one. You got 18 pip stop loss here, and for TP stop loss, you have like shit almost 30 pip stop loss here. So I won't be taking buys here at all until we close above. And if EJ decides to start dropping, my sales is gonna be below this if I have good entry. It's about a 15 to 70, 17 pips range. Stim Jenkins, what was your question? I didn't see your question. What was your question? Oh, I think what do you mean sad black losing? What does that mean? I don't know what you mean by that. What loss size am I using? Okay, somebody respond to him on my behalf. But what I will tell you is this sales earlier, I went full margin on that one. I did go full margin on that one. The previous one, I didn't go full margin. I went half margin on that one. Yeah, And like I said, I would have taken these buys, but I did not like where my stop loss is actually gonna be. Didn't even have a one-to-one risk to reward, so that's why I'm not taking it. Now we could either break above this resistance or we could reject. So I'm looking for a break or a rejection at this resistance. That's what I'm looking for now. That's what I'm looking for right now. Um, you will get there. It's only a matter of time. This GJ right now is also a good entry. We should continue down, but this same candle could still flip bullish again and then freaking stop you out. The market is just not acting good today. And if you want to be a little more safer, you can say, okay, you know what? I'll have my entry here. But then we might not get back to the support because here to the left we only have weak fills. You got the rejections. You see possible rejections here. But GJ is too choppy here. So, but you can risk it if you want, but I'm not taking it. Too choppy. Too choppy. The best entry would have been here. This is the best entry you could have had. I'm gonna just leave it this right here. Let's see if it's gonna get there. Oh, what's GU doing? Huh? Look at that. Flipped. It's too choppy right here. Very nice trade metrics. All right. While we're waiting to possibly take one more trade here before I end this stream, what's AJ doing? Oh, okay. Wait for AJ to close above because we've had multiple rejections here. This is a very strong trend. But if we break above, we should continue. Alright, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker because your broker sucks, I absolutely do recommend Anchor Trade, which is the broker that I use myself. And with Anchor Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Anchor Trade, the two account types I do recommend are ECN or ECN Plus. Go with ECN if you have at least $100, and go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000 to deposit. Now with Anchor Trade, your spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commissions as well. So if you want to sign up with Anchor Trade, guys, you can use my link down below in the description. Now let's see if we can at least make some money today. See, let's make some. Um, if we're able to take one more trade here, we'll take it, and if not, we'll just continue tomorrow. And tomorrow, no major news either for London, but we do have obviously a lot of yellow for the Euro news again tomorrow. And obviously tomorrow is NFP day. But I'm not gonna lie, NFP week, this NFP week, yeah, definitely smashed me. Definitely smashed me. I didn't smash NFP week this week. I'm not tripping though, it happens. I guess NFP week is like, okay, I've given you enough time to smash me, so now it's my turn. Now it is my turn. Yep, fully bearish. I guess CJ was the trade today, huh? Hmm. And this market today is playing too many games. Where's my mm,
Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your side. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born in the crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killer. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm at your side, yeah. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better,
I'm not in, just getting it ready. Uh, Candle still has 30 minutes to close. So if we can close above on the 30-minute, then we will have an entry. So for now, we're just gonna stay away from AJ. Uh, NBHD Nick, that's his name. Well, I will be careful with the GU buys. But right now, it does look like a break and retest. But you got this trend line. I would say at least wait for price to break this trend line. Wait for price to break this trend line and take your buys above 1.16200. Um, that's what I think on GU, and that was actually what I was waiting to see. And I was gonna take buys above 1.16200 on GU. Not right now because of this trend line. EJ, I mean, my bias is gonna be 139, above 139 500. That's not even the song. Why is he playing? Man, this market's got how this thing freaking flipped. Um, man, CJ was absolutely the trade today. We just mixed it. CJ was the only pair that actually did what he was supposed to do, meant to do. EJ totally freaking did something else. And look at what he's doing now. Oh, GJ virtually dropped. Damn. Okay. This GJ News should have this GJ News PMI should have been in red folder. I don't know why it's yellow. Oh, oh. That's in 4 minutes. I wouldn't have taken this GJ anyways. And even two. What the? Uh, do we still have any Euro news? I say this all the time. Just because a particular pair overall trend is bullish doesn't mean it's not good. Doesn't mean it can't fall. It's good to know what the overall trend is. Don't get me wrong. It's good. You figure out what the overall trend is. That's fine. But then once you get to the lower time frame, you look for your entries. You look for your setup. You could get a sell setup. For example, I mean, we were bullish when we had this drop. You could say it's a pullback for a bullish continuation, but we could actually still fall here. But we're still bullish. We could fall. That's why I didn't take no buys here. That's why I'm looking for buys above 139,950. We could actually freaking fall now.
I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah, kinda check us on. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives. Need them
I
tens, I
know.
need that change to the safe. Got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still sitting, roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T, Black, I'm with Reverend now.
Let's see.
I'm with A, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, now switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the bag, and that's worth more to me. I mix Nike with designer, I experiment. You just rock what's on the shelf, and I'm not feeling it. Search for the one, but baby girl, it's nothing real as this. Can't trust a soul, I keep a hammer, call it too legit. I've been really in the field, let her rush, I let her feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah, kinda check us on. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it up. Lately, I just wanna run it up. Yeah, yeah, I just be off the dome. I never own no chrome. Too many foes and clones. Yeah, yeah, I be at home alone. I be in zones alone. I be on road alone. Yeah, I've been really in the field. Let her rush, I let her feel. Lately, I just wanna run it up.
AJ is finding it hard to break. He's finding it hard to break. Two, 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 two. Um, good morning, Mario. Mm. CJ rejected his support. You guys can take AJ if you want to. If this candle flips, CJ should continue down. Uh, mm,
Pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up,
AJ
hop out,
dropping
then she
nice.
swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Just see you in them is we making plans, girl. Double up the coops, I is here's the bands, girl. She a tenor, better tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets her nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. Pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Strike a pose, girl, strike a pose, girl. I could
You
spend
can
the
take
evening
this
with you
too
in
if
the
you
cold.
want.
Put you in position, curling up your
Uh,
toes, girl. Even when I'm gone, I only want your clothes, girl. If I was you,
and
then we could count the meals together. If it's real, it's real. This'll be
I will be
forever.
calling
If it's
out
hot or
any more
cold,
trades today.
through any weather. If it's all I know,
The
together
losses I
forever.
took on EJ,
Pull
that's
up, hop
enough.
out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little
That's
catwalk,
enough
make
for
it
me.
work. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work.
The pair that I want to
Make it
trade
work,
today
Jill,
is actually
make it
this
work,
freaking
strike a
EJ.
pose. Make it work, Jill, make it work, strike a pose.
So EJ is the pair that I'm looking to trade. This looks good right now, but then now we have the support here. So if we didn't have this support here, I'll jump in this cell, and then this will be my target. So now I gotta wait for closures below this. You said is CJ valid? Uh, sure, yeah, if you ask me, but I want to trade EJ. CJ and AJ should actually drop. That's what I'm anticipating. So, let's see. And if you do take this, you're looking at about 16 pips stop loss here. If you do take it, I feel like this EJ might not be until freaking P New York. No.
Really, real, no, this is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race.
And
I just want some
CJ,
vaccine.
I don't know, maybe you could just
What's happening? It's just me, my guys, I'm down to
target
rap
this
friends.
level down here,
You ain't see the front, but talking back ends. Oh, I see the money, won't pick and
because
roll,
it
give
could
and go.
get there.
I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. Oh my God, 3 cars, 5 jobs, slam door, off the love. Shorty said she got the web, I just want the rock. Put some money on the snap, that could get you
And
caught.
if you took AJ,
Shot wet, 3 dice bet. Head crack flex, this is not a question. I don't ever practice, never act in, always act in.
if you took AJ, you're looking at 18 pips stop loss, and I'm anticipating that it should get back to this support.
I do it the best, don't care if you did it. Stayed down till I came up, now I'm 2 in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag for all this cash or something. Can fit it in my pockets, got me mad at some. Hit it 10
So
to
sure.
20, now it's adding up. I'm not bragging, I'm just bagging up. Yeah. Oh, I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go.
All right, EJ flip bullish. GJ, well, GJ smashed the TP. GJ smashed the TP. So probably once we could see some momentum once the 4 hour candle opens on EJ, and that's what I'm gonna wait for.
I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Swerving naked plays, Ferrari red. Never out
Oh, you had a bigger SL on CJ? Okay. I mean on EJ. Okay. Do I trade AUD CAD? No. I hate AUD cards, Steph. I don't like the way it moves. Um, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Trying to touch the states this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame?
You said CJ going well?
Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in
Oh
the carry on them
shoot.
Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey with me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips up to Montego Bay. If I take a job, then I
Well,
get it
if you
done.
took AJ going well too.
I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me come. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest.
Alright, this definitely should have given you 10 pips. If you've gotten 10 pips already here on CJ, move your stops 2 and 3. And let's see those W's. CJ is 12 pips. Definitely should be at 10 pips now. Well, maybe CJ will give a runner. Yes, it is late to enter CJ right now. It is definitely late to enter CJ. What do I think of GJ? Well, GJ buys above 161 700, 161 900. And if we do break below this support at 161 300, we should continue down. But right now it's just stuck in this range. for our candle opened. It's like we opened bullish on EJ. Let me see, would I have taken this trade? Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, this trade is a better one. Yep, this is a better one compared to this previous candle. What do I think about CJ? We've created a support here now. The support was here, 105,450. So this candle could still flip bearish on CJ. All you can do now is just wait. If you didn't take the sales earlier, all you can do now is to wait. That's all you can do now on CJ. I don't think I'll be able to get in EJ this London session. And I won't be trading Forex pairs though in New York. So EJ is looking like I'm not gonna trade you again until tomorrow. My New York trade today is gonna be NAS 100. Let me take a look at NAS. I haven't looked at NAS today at all. Let's see. hmm I traded on a 5 minute. Alright, we might get stopped out here on the CJ. Oh man, GU rejected that trend line nicely. GU is a sell, it's not a buy. Alright, this is the second time this dude Alex have said this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, you did. Thanks for hopping on.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's attending. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it.
You holding EJ buys and GJ buys.
And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
I hope the GJ buys works for you.
That's how we slide.
I hope the GJ buys works out for you.
That's how we ride. Gon' pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3.
Even the EJ buys, I hope it works out because the way this thing is acting, we could get to this resistance and actually reject. Actually, that's what I'm looking for. If it happens, I'll be looking to take a sell right from there. If it does not, then I'll take buys if you break and close above. That's what I'm looking for on EJ. Alright, stopped out of CJ. Um, alright guys. Today we had obviously two losses, one wins. Uh, we'll just show up again tomorrow. Um, the monthly mentorship program has started. You guys can secure your spot if you're interested. We're officially going to start the first pre-market analysis live on Sunday, and then weekly webinars on Saturdays, signals during London session, and the only pair we will be trading during New York is going to be NAS 100, and that's only going to be after NYSE open. I will be sending those signals, and I'm going to start doing that on Monday. I have been trading NAS all week on my own, and I haven't had a single loss so far on NAS this week. So NAS 100 has been good to me this week so far. Aside from all these Forex pairs. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Fully tomorrow will be better, even to even though tomorrow is NFP. So I will see you guys tomorrow.